guys, this is Neetu and welcome back to my channel Neetu Bansal Official. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then do click the subscribe button down below and hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that you will get notified whenever I'll upload any of my next videos. So guys, as you have seen from the title that today's video is going to be the Lakme Bridal Makeup Kit. This is the Lakme Bridal Makeup Kit that I have built up using the Lakme products only. You can choose whatever products or whatever brand you may like, and you can add or subtract products according to your preferences also. So guys, if you are a bride and if you are a bride to be and if you are a beginner in makeup and if you want to build up your kit by yourself, then this is the perfect video that you are looking for. All of the products that I am sharing in this video are kind of waterproof and more towards the long lasting nature, as a bride needs to attend so many functions before and after marriage and she cannot afford her makeup patch or smudge. She needs to look at her best all the time. So guys, today I will be sharing all of the products from the Lakme brand. So guys, if you are interested in this video, then please keep on watching. So first thing first, I will be sharing a moisturizer to moisturize the skin. I have two options for you guys. One is the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer with 24-hour moisture lock, and the second one is the Lakme 9 to 5 Natural Aloe Aqua Gel. If you have combination skin type, if you have oily skin type, if you have normal skin type, then this one is perfect for you. That is the Lakme 9 to 5 Natural Aloe Aqua Gel. This is the aloe vera gel that you can use as a primer also. This can be used as an affordable everyday kind of primer. And this one is suitable for the dry skin types. If your skin is extremely dry type, then you should use a moisturizer that is heavy in texture, that is the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. So guys, I have two options for you, that is the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer and the other one is the Lakme 9 to 5 Natural Aloe Aqua Gel. Let me show you the texture onto my hand. So guys, this one is the aloe vera gel. This is a clear aloe vera gel, and this one is the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer with the 24-hour moisture lock. This is a great moisturizer for summer, for the oily, acne prone skin and for the combination skin, for the normal skin, as this one moisturizes the skin for the longest time in summer season. For the winter season, I have the option that is the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer, or if your skin is extremely dry type, then this is the perfect moisturizer that will deeply nourish your skin in the winter season, or if your skin is extremely dry type. After my skin is properly moisturized, I will use then a Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. This is a very good primer that is matte in texture. I have reviewed it onto my channel separately. So guys, if you are interested, then you can check it out onto my channel, that is Neetu Bansal Official. This is how the primer looks like. This is light pink in texture. This is a matte primer. This is perfect for the oily, acne prone skin. A primer is essential in makeup as it makes the makeup smooth, it controls oil, it blurs out the open pores and it increases the staying power of makeup too. So guys, a primer is an essential step in makeup. I have shared the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer with you guys. And now comes the foundation. I have two options for you guys. One is the Lakme Absolute Natural Mousse in the shade Golden Medium, and the second one is the Lakme Absolute White Intense Skin Cover with SPF 25. This is a bridal foundation and this is a matte foundation. This gives you medium to full coverage and this one gives you sheer to medium coverage, which you can build up, but it will not give you full coverage. Lakme Absolute White Intense Foundation comes with a pump and it shuts with the click also. It is a bridal foundation. It will give you full coverage and it will give you medium coverage. This one comes in a jar just like this. It has a lid onto it. After we open the lid, there is a mousse foundation into it. Both of the foundations can be easily applied onto the skin using brush or fingers or using the beauty sponge. Let me show you the texture onto my hand of both of the foundations, so you will have an idea how the foundation will work onto your skin. I have golden medium shade in both of the foundations. So guys, this one is the mousse foundation and this one is the Lakme Absolute White Intense Skin Cover Foundation. Both of are in the shade golden medium. As you can see that this one is more of the dewy kind of finish and this one is more towards the matte finish. So guys, I have given you two options. One is the Lakme Absolute White Intense Skin Cover Foundations for the nighttime or party functions, and the second one is for the daytime functions. The staying power of both of the foundations is 8 to 10 hours easily onto my skin. I have 1 cc cream as a base for you also, that is a Lakme 9 to 5 cc cream. I am in the shade beige. This comes in 4 different shades. This is all in one instant skin stylist with SPF 30 PA++. So guys, it has sunscreen, moisturizer, plus it has some coverage too. It stays onto my skin for 4 to 5 hours easily in the summer season, and in the winters for 6 to 7 hours easily. This is how it looks like. This is the Lakme 925 CC cream in the shade beige. If you want light makeup, then you can use this cream and set it with the compact as well. And now comes the concealer, that is the Lakme Absolute White Intense Skin Cover Concealer with SPF 25. I am in the shade Golden Medium in this concealer too, as like the foundation, that is the Lakme Absolute White Intense Skin Cover Foundation. This one is the Lakme Absolute White Intense Concealer in the shade Golden Medium. Both the concealer and foundation are of the same shade for me. A concealer is essential to hide any acne marks, any kind of imperfections or uneven skin tone. This is a liquid concealer, that is the Lakme Absolute White Intense Skin Cover Concealer with the SPF 25. Or you can use it as a highlighter concealer, a shade lighter to your skin. This concealer comes in 4 different shades. Now comes the compact. I have 3 options for you guys. One is the Lakme Absolute White Intense Wet and Dry Compact. This can be used using a wet sponge as a foundation, as using a dry sponge using a face powder as well. And this one is the Lakme 95 Flawless Matte Complexion in the shade Almond Matte. I have Golden Medium shade in the Lakme Absolute White Intense Wet and Dry Compact, and I have the shade Silky Golden in the Lakme 95 Primer Plus Matte Powder Foundation. This can be used as a powder foundation. This can be used as a simple compact as well. All of the 3 compacts come with a mirror and with a sponge as well. I will show you the texture one by one onto my hand. This one is the Lakme 925 Flawless Matte Compact in the shade Almond Matte. This comes in 3 shades. And this one is the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Powder Foundation in the shade Silky Golden. And this one is the Lakme Absolute White Intense Wet and Dry Compact in the shade Golden Medium. Lakme 925 Matte Powder in the shade Almond Matte. Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Powder Foundation in the shade Silky Golden. Lakme Absolute White Intense Skin Cover Foundation in the shade Golden Medium. For the eyeshadow, I have the Lakme 925 Eye Quartet in the shade Desert Rose. This comes in 4 shades. Let me show you. This is how the palette looks like. It comes in 4 shades and with the spoolie, or you can say with the brush as well, which is a dual-ended brush. You can use it for traveling purposes. It has 4 shades which are just perfect for the brides to be or for the newly brides. This is how it looks like. This is a golden shade, peachy shade, brownish shade and a dark brownie or earthy brown shade. All of the shades can be used individually or you can mix and match according to your choice. All of these shades will look great onto the brides or on the Indian outfits pretty nicely. Now it's the time for the eyeliner. I have 2 options for you guys. One is the Lakme Insta Eyeliner Black. This is the water resistant eyeliner, and the second one is the Lakme Absolute Eyeliner. This is a waterproof eyeliner. This one is the Lakme Absolute Precision Liquid Liner, that is in the shade Black. This comes with a pen-like tip which is easy to draw a winged eyeliner or any kind of eyeliner. You can create different looks using these eyeliners. This is how the eyeliner looks like. This one is the Lakme Absolute Precision Liquid Liner. This is the waterproof eyeliner. This comes with a pen-like tip which is easy to draw a liquid liner. This one is the most affordable eyeliner from the Lakme. This is how the eyeliner looks like. This one is the Lakme Insta Eyeliner. This is water resistant eyeliner. This is most affordable eyeliner from the house of Lakme. This comes with a fine tip brush which is very thin, which is very easy to apply an eyeliner. After applying the eyeshadow and eyeliner, you may need a kajal, that is the Lakme Iconic Kajal. I have 4 shades for you guys. One is the simple Lakme black color, that is the Lakme Iconic Kajal, that is for the 22-hour kajal in the shade Deep Black. This is the deepest black kajal. This is smudge proof, waterproof, and it stays onto the eyes for 22 hours. And I have 3 colored kajals as well. One is the classic brown, other one is the Regal Green, and the third one is the Royal Blue Kajal. That is blue, green and brown kajal. You can create as many different looks using these kajals and using the eyeshadow as well. Like blue smoky eye look, brown smoky eye look, green smoky eye look and a black smoky eye look, or you can use this as a simple eyeliner or a simple kajal as well. All of three has 10 hours of staying power, and the Lakme black one has 22 hours staying power. After applying kajal, what we will need is a mascara. I have one option for you, that is a Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara. It comes in two shades. One is blue and the other one is black. I have the shade black for you guys. This one is not a waterproof mascara. If you want to invest in a waterproof mascara, then you can look for the Lakme Absolute range. This one is water resistant, and this one is great for the everyday kind of functions or for the winter functions. If you want to curl your lashes and if you want to add volume to your lashes, then a mascara is a must. This is how the band looks like, and it will curl your lashes very nicely. This is the Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara in the shade black. For eyebrows, I have the Lakme Eyebrow Pencil in the shade black. This one is not waterproof. This one is really good, affordable kind of eyebrow pencil. This is how the pencil looks like. This is the Lakme Eyebrow Pencil in the shade black. The price of this pencil is just 65 rupees. I have the shade Coral Blush in the Lakme Absolute Blush Duos. It comes in combination of two blushes. You can use one or you can use a combination of two blushes as well. This is how the blush looks like. This is the coral shade, and this one is the earthy toned, warm toned pink shade. I will show you the texture onto my hand. This is how the blush looks like. This is the coral blush and this one is the pink blush. It comes with the brush as well. You can use this brush for traveling purposes as well. This has very soft bristles. This stays onto my skin for 8 to 10 hours easily. This is a very good blush for the medium skin tones. And now comes the highlighter and contour. For this I will be using the Lakme Absolute Moonlit highlighter. This is from the Sabyasachi collection. This is the limited edition highlighter. It comes in just one shade. This is how the product looks like. This is a golden champagne highlighter and this is a bronzer kind of thing. Let me show you the texture onto my hand. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. This is a highlighter and this one is a bronzer. The highlighter and bronzer both are kind of shimmery, but bronzer has very less shimmers in it, which doesn't show up onto the skin. The highlighter is really nice. This is the Lakme Absolute Moonlit highlighter from the Sabyasachi collection. And now comes the lip gloss, that is the Lakme Lip Love Lip Care in the shade Strawberry. Let me show you a swatch onto my hand. This is how it looks like. It helps in nourishing our lips before applying any lipstick. This is the Lakme Lip Love Lip Care in the shade Strawberry, and it helps in providing moisturization. And now comes the lip liner. This is the Lakme 925 lip liner in the shade Beige Pink. This is how the lip liner looks like. This is in the shade Beige Pink. You should line your lips before applying any lipstick, or you can also fill in using the liner as well. This is the Lakme 925 lip liner in the shade Beige Pink. And in the last comes the lipsticks. You can choose whatever lipstick you may like. I will show you 6 shades one by one. The first one is the PM11 from the Lakme Enrich Matte Lipstick. This is the fuchsia shade. I will show you one by one onto my hand. This one is the Lakme Enrich Matte Lipstick in the shade PM11. This is the fuchsia shade. I will show you 6 lipsticks one by one. This is the very first lipstick. And now comes the Lakme Absolute Lip Pout Matte in the shade Tangerine Touch. This is how it looks like. This is the Lakme Absolute Lip Pout Matte in the shade Tangerine Touch. This is the bright orange shade and it will suit from fair to medium skin tones very easily. And now comes the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Lipstick in the shade Red Rebel. This is how it looks like. This is in the shade Red Rebel from the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Lipstick. And now again from the Lakme Absolute Lip Out range, that is the Lakme Absolute Lip Out Matte in the shade Victorian Rose. This is a red shade with the pink tone to it. This one is a Victorian Rose from the Lakme Absolute Lip Out Matte. This is the red color with the pink undertone to it. And now comes the liquid lipstick. This is the Lakme 925 Weightless Matte Mousse Lipstick in the shade Pink Plush. This comes with a brush which is very easy to apply onto the lips. This is the Lakme 925 Weightless Matte Mousse Lipstick in the shade Pink Plush. And lastly from the Lakme Absolute range, that is the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Lip Color in the shade Lush Rose. This is also a fuchsia shade. Let me show you onto my hand. This one is the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Lip Color in the shade Lush Rose. Let me tell you one by one. This is the Lakme Enriched Matte Lipstick in the shade PM11. This is the Lakme Absolute Lip Out Matte in the shade Tangerine Touch. This is the Lakme Absolute Lip Out Matte in the shade Victorian Rose. This is the Lakme Primer Plus Matte Lipstick in the shade Red Rebel. This is the Lakme 925 Weightless Matte Mousse Lipstick in the shade Pink Plush. And this one is the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Lip Color in the shade Lush Rose. All of these lipsticks are bright in color and all of these will suit all of the skin tones very nicely. I hope that you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, then give this video a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and do subscribe to my channel, that is Neetu Bansal Official, for more of such videos. And do comment in the comment section down below what is the Lakme product that you are using and you have used. Do write down in the comment section down below if you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye bye.